Boom. Hitting me right now. It's gonna hail, it's not gonna rain. What? Some girl just started screaming. Is Dale up? Oh, they came over to your house? What? It is going everywhere now. Y'all should come over here. Keep me company. What? Oh, so come over here. Oh my god, it is right there. I am out on my roof. If I get hit, because I am not taking Mr. Mooney's fucking little, what's it called, advice on getting on the ground lowest as you can. Ooh, I'm gonna get killed. And this is all on the recording, so it's my will, Josh. What? No, get the freaking charge. You are not about to leave me here. Oh my god. Alright, bye. Alright. Bye. Fuck. Hey. Talk to me. Do you see this weather? I'm on my roof.